Hi, I've got another unboxing video for you, and it is a Glossybox. Now this is their gorgeous Halloween themed beauty subscription box for October. It's their trick or treat box. It comes in two, as you might guess, so you get trick or treat. So I have got treat. Gorgeous, gorgeous box, gorgeous colour, got trick or treat there. It is definitely a keepsake box. So yeah, no, love it, love it, love it. Now this is my paid for box. If you're new to my channel, I normally get a PR box. I started getting them around April, May time this year, but I've kept my subscription going as well. So it means that I get 2 boxes a month. I usually get a PR box first, then my paid for box usually comes like about a week later or so. So my paid for box has got here first. So I'll wait to see if I do get a PR box this month, and if I do, then I'll be putting one of them up for a giveaway, as I tend to do on my channel. So if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. But if you're a regular to my channel, or you know everything there is to know about Glossybox, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward to see the actual contents inside this box. I also have a 20% discount off your first box, and I will link everything that's inside this box, as I like to have a look online, see what I can find, see if the sizes in here are full size, sample size, etc., and find out the cost, and then I like to total it all up to see the actual value of the box. So all that, as well as links to the subscription, and like as I said, the discount code will be down below, so click on the show more, that'll bring up description, and everything will be down there. But no, so I'll tell you a little bit about Glossybox. It is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging, so one of my cheaper boxes that I get. Inside you get a mix of beauty items, generally a few skincare, but quite a lot of makeup as well. Sometimes we've had sweet treats like a chocolate bar in the bar sometimes. It's a good mix. It's usually 5, but we have been known to have 6 items. So I can't remember from the press release I saw a little while ago exactly how many items are in this box, because even though I have a look, I like to have a bit of a surprise. So it feels like quite exciting for me to open, because I like to do all my unboxings filmed as it is opening up, so complete surprise for me. I love that. But yeah, so let's get on and open it up. So you get a card, and on this card, it tells you everything about the products inside this box, and it tells you a little bit about it, and it tells you the actual cost of the full size, etc. So I'll be referring to that as we go along. It also shows a sneak peek for next month, which I'll tell you in a little while. So that's what the box looks like. Beautiful, beautiful box. Really pretty this month. There's my items. Don't know if you can see. So I'll put that down to the side of me, and I'll pick an item up, show you, and then refer to the card. Also with this box, there's a little leaflet here telling you all about Glossybox's advent calendar for this year. So it's the very first time they've brought out a massive advent calendar like this. It costs £99, but there's a code here for Glossybox subscribers can get it for £75. So I'll pop that code down in the description if you're interested in that. But it's worth over £300. I have unboxed it a couple of weeks ago, so if you're interested, I'll pop that down in the description as well if you want to take a look at the video there. But no, so that's in all our boxes. Right, so on the front here it says trick or treat glossies. As the chilly breeze hits and Halloween approaches, our October edits will seriously warm things up. This month we're having double the fun with the launch of 2 special designed boxes. You've received our treat box, a completely cruelty-free edit brimming with 4 full-size makeup heroes that will help you nail its chic and sultry take on Halloween, plus a 3-in-1 skincare saviour. Whether you fancy attempting that difficult balance between glamorous and gruesome, or are avoiding Halloween, fancy dress completely, this edition has got you covered. So sneak peek, I've just seen it, the sneak peek for November, I was going to say September there, November, is a Huda Beauty product with £18, and it's a lipstick. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, wow, wow. Up there. Oh, I can't wait for that. Really can't wait to try that. So no, a full-size Huda Beauty product for next month. So the first item is a Strobe and Glow highlight kit, and this is MUA Luxe, and it's in Pink Luster. Now I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that properly because the reflection on the light there. So I'll just open that up. With the trick or treat boxes, we all get the same items, but they might be like different shades. So I think with the trick box, you get like a contour and highlight palette. Whilst this is more like a highlighting one, like a blush. Ooh, so we got a mirror, and then that's what that looks like there. That's quite pretty, isn't it? What colour would that... Ooh, it's not as pink as I thought. That is really nice. That is really nice. And then we've got a cream highlight there. But because I might receive a trick box, I'm not going to swatch these. Because for me and my colouring, I tend to steer away from like pinky highlights. I tend to go for golds and coral sort of shades than pinky, just for highlight and blush and things. So if I get the trick box as my PR box, then I'm going to swap them over. So I'm not going to swatch it, but just in case, you know, I do get a trick box, and that means then, you know, I'll be putting this up for a giveaway. But I hope you understand. But no, it looks absolutely beautiful. This is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price is £5. Get your glow on with this vegan-friendly and cruelty-free strobe and highlight kit that's featured in videos by famous YouTuber Nikki Tutorials. The 2-in-1 compact includes cream and powder highlighter, so you can achieve an intense iridescent look in a single swipe. Apply to areas that catch the light. Think cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. So no, I absolutely love that product. But if I don't get the other box, then I'm going to keep it. But if I do, I'm going to swap it, and this one will be going up in the giveaway box. So next item, what gorgeous packaging. Luna by Luna, and this is translucent powder. I don't think I've heard of this brand before, Luna by Luna. So that's what that looks like there. Really pretty packaging. Oh, I didn't expect that. It's got a little powder puff. Ah, it's trying to escape around the edges. So you can see it falling out there. So it's got a little powder puff. Oh no, I've made a mess. Never mind, never mind. So that is that. No, really happy with that. So what's it say in the information? This is another full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £17. It says, hailing from New Jersey, this cruelty-free setting powder sets your makeup to keep your skin smooth for hours. We're in love with a lightweight formula that soaks up excess oil while softening fine lines and hiding pores. We recommend using a beauty blender to apply the translucent powder to areas you've concealed to help your makeup stay fresh. Oh, whoa, I can't wait to try that. Really excited with that. So that's our second item. The next item is a sleek, and it's a IDivine Palette mineral based eyeshadow palette in shades Oh So Special. Now we've had a sleek palette before in Glossybox. I think it was a little bit smaller than this, I'm not too sure. I can't remember now, but no, I haven't had this one, so Oh So Special. So what's this look like? I think this is worth around £10. So I'll try and open it up. Oh, that's what that looks like. I like that, it's got all the names on there. So there you go, so that's the mirror. I'll just pop that down there so it doesn't blind you. So you've got a little brush there. And then those are the shades. Ooh, some really lovely shades. I love this plum and this one and that one as well. That one stands out. And this one, what's that one? I hope that's a matte. Is it a matte? Yes! No, I'm going to keep this one because I like this palette. So no, oh, I love a base colour to pop all over my eyelids. I love it, and I think that's perfect. So no, really chuffed with that. Really happy. So let's see what the information says. This is obviously a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £8.99, so I was close. It says the 12 super pigmented, long-lasting, cruelty-free, mineral-based shades cover all bases from smoky and sophisticated to daytime chic. We adore the combination of mattes and pearlescent shades that'll keep you bang on trend and provide a whole host of possibilities for a sultry Halloween eye look. So now that's our third item. Really good box. Really good box so far, I love it. Next we got a skincare product, and I've had this a few times. It is a subscription box sort of favourite. I think I've had it more in Look Fantastic boxes. I'm not sure if I've had it in a glossy box before, but it's This Works, and it's In Transit Camera Close-Up. Now, mask, moisturiser and a primer in one, and this is 20 mils. So I think this is like a deluxe sample size, but it's good. It is really good. As I said, I've tried it a few times and I do really like it, and I haven't had it for many months, I don't think. So although looking through it, it only looks to be about that much full. It doesn't look completely full. How odd. No, I can't do it, it's full of air. But yeah, if looking through, because I've got a Velux window above me, I can sort of see that it's only up to about there, so just over half. So yeah, it's a deluxe mini, and the recommended retail price for this, which can be bought, is £17. For the 40ml full size version, it'll cost you £35. So it says the powerful blend of repairing plant oils, hyaluronic acid, argan and sunflower oil plus a hit of caffeine results in a revitalizing formula. It's also cruelty free. This is the perfect way to rapidly erase the signs of fatigue, boost hydration and to prep your skin for photo perfect makeup. So no, quite happy with that. Really like it. As I said, it's, you know, it's 3-in-1, it's good, but I'm not so happy that it seems to be only about halfway full. Does that make sense? Don't know. But no, that's a shame, but no, I am happy I got it. So our last item is something I've been really excited about, and it's an Illamasqua lipstick, full size. Now we either get a bright pink one or we get a bright purple one. So in this box, which is the treat box, we get a pink one, and it's called Nebula, and it's antimatter lipstick. So that's the out packaging. Look at that colour. Woo! Oh my word. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that is stunning. That is so pretty. That is so bright. Really bright. Can you tell? There. Can you see there? That is so bright. I'm not sure what to do, whether to wait for my PR box to see if I've got the other box, and in that it's got a purple one, and then I choose which one I should go for. What do you think would suit me more, a bright purple or this bright pink? Let me know and I'll decide. But no, I'm really excited to try it. I'm desperate to swatch it now, but if I do get the other box and I fall in love with the other colour more, I'll be gutted then, because I've got to give one away in a giveaway. But I'll stop mumbling and I'll tell you all about this. So what does it say? It's a full-size lipstick, obviously, and it costs £20. This cruelty-free lipstick from the British beauty brand with an edge will suit every outfit. The cushioned finish glides effortlessly, I can't talk, onto your lips for an on-trend semi-matte finish. We're smitten with this girly, bright and beautiful shade of pink that suits all skin tones. It's an incredible flattering hue, so your pearly white shines brighter and whiter too. No, I like that. So I'll just gather all the items together. So these are the items inside the October Glossy Box. I am super chuffed with these. Absolutely love them. We've got a translucent powder. We've got a highlight set, I suppose, because there's a cream and a powder highlight in there. We've got a full size eyeshadow palette. We've got a 3-in-1 moisturizer, primer and mask cream, and we've got a full size lipstick. They're all cruelty free, and I can't wait to top them all up now to find out how much they all come to, which I'll do now. It comes to about £68. I will redo it and I'll write it down below if you're interested. But yeah, £68 cost me £13.25. So no, I am well chuffed. I can't wait to see what I get in the PR box, and if it is the same, then I'll be keeping these and I'll be putting my PR box up for a giveaway. But if they are different, if I have got the treat box, then I'll be swapping maybe the lipstick and this highlighter, because I want to have the other one, which is the contour. I just think it suits me better. So that was our Glossy Box for October. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What did you think of this month's box? Do you think it's great value for money? Do you think the products are really good? Do you think it's a good mix? I'd love to hear your comments and to see whether you like it or not, and whether you think it's worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Excuse me being a little bit scatty. I'm not swatching many things, but I hope you understand that it's because I might be getting another box, so I want to see what the other colours are like before I keep the items for myself. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I have got ready to film a Betty box. I've got 2 ASOS box, one for men and one for women. And what else have I got? I've got a pink parcel on the way as well, so I've got quite a few coming up this week, quite a few. So I hope you enjoy watching them as well. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.